Hello, Longisa. Today is a good day to go fishing. Let's see if we're gonna catch any fish. If you do come back and catch a fish, they have this thing where you could clean your fish. It's so cool, right? Look at that. How nice is that? You can clean your fish. You can dump the stuff right here. They do have bathroom, and then they make it nicely now. Okay. Let's go fishing. No swimming in this area, but we can swim out there. I did that many times with my niece and nephews. Okay, I'm gonna jump inside the boat with my lafufu. Lafufu, come on, let's go fishing. Lafufu. The boat is pretty old, and inside the boat it look like this. I'm just gonna come inside here. We try to fish. We try to, I don't know, snorkeling. The boat, the swimming boat. Okay, we are leaving. We are going. Let's go fishing. Look how pretty it is. On a good, beautiful sunny day, no wind, water calm. We will come back in an hour or two. Here we go. Go fishing. Can you hear me? I said let's go fishing. Look at those houses right in front of the water. Nice, right? Over there you see the mountain, Joy Mountain. Oh, it's windy now because we're going 35 miles per hour. The boat is old, but it's still working. The boat born in 1978. so cool how, you know, the two couple after work they come and do this for fun. Off they go. Have fun. See you guys later. Happy good day. So they're all fixing the parking lot and building brand new bathroom. And the bathroom is how you call in English, smart bathroom. So the bathroom will clean itself. Out here, they don't allow you to fish, but let me show you guys how it look like. So I think this is maybe private thing for the people who can dock the boat or park the boat over here. So it look nice. I don't know how much they charge a month, but it look good. Over here, it look getting fixed, so it will be looking better. So now, those are gated community house. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the boat. Okay, I'm gonna walk a while since the boat is not working well. The couple, look at that. It's pretty, right? I like how everything look like over here. And then we can walk the other side too. I wonder, is there fish and frog in here? Still constructions on this side. Oh, they have construction going on. The city got money. I was thinking to go all the way down there to show you guys how pretty it is. But I don't know if I can go inside. Let's see. Let's see, where can I take you guys to? On the table. No, nothing. So good. No fishing.
The only thing.
The boat is off.
The only thing I'm
We
thinking is
decided
cargo
not to go.
vessels.
So why did you choose the
Bye bye.
MTK?
Thank you for
That's
watching.
what
Bye.
they recommend.